Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Johnson. I'm super excited to do this makeup for you. It is a beginner makeup tutorial, how to do your makeup as a beginner, or how to do your full face makeup as a beginner. So I'm just going to be doing something really simple and classy for the eyes and for the lips. So you're just going to follow through all the way from the beginning to the end of this makeup, and I hope that you'll be able to look prettier, right? As well. Thank you so much. Let's tune in. So I'm using my spoolie to brush my brows. And I'm using Eversheen pencil. I really love this pencil. Someday I'm gonna have my own pencil. So you want to draw your outline first. And then I start to create the strokes. Make sure that your pencil is well sharpened. And then I'm brushing again. So I'll be using my Maybelline Superstay foundation for outlining my brows. This is color 355 Coconut. I'm also using LA color in Warm Honey for my brows as well, in the highlight area of my brows. Using my concealer brush and my foundation, I'm just going to highlight the inner corner. More like define the inner corner. And then define the upper part of my brow. Next is my concealer. As you can see, it's brighter, so I'm just putting it on my brow bone, which is the light part of my brow. And I'm just going to blend it in. So I'm just taking my foundation on my spoolie, right? You can use a brow gel if you have. And I'm just going to brush it through my brows, just to give it that fainted, bright feel. And then to make my strokes appear a bit more feathery. So next, I'm just going to apply the remaining concealer on my brow, on my eyelid. So like I said, we're just going to do something very simple for our eyes, and this is something that you can do as a full face makeup tutorial, but yet will make it glamorous. So I'll be using this eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place. It is the Magic Mini palette. And I'll be picking this transition color. It is orange. I absolutely love orange as my transition color. The brush I'm using is from BH Cosmetics. It is their Rose Gold collection, or should I say edition. So I'm just applying my orange transition color I love to let my transition travel all the way here. And when using transition colors, always make sure that you use matte eyeshadow. You don't want to use shimmering eyeshadow so that you don't cast light in here. The upper part of your eyelid and this outer corner is the basic places to put your contour color. Except you're doing something really dramatic or creative, then you can move your contours in here. You know, like maybe when you're doing like a hollow makeup. Next, I'll be using my Sacha Butter Cosmetic Powder for my brow bone. I love to use this color because it's quite neutral and it will just blend into the color that is already there. So next I'll be using my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. This palette was discontinued, but you might still be able to find it in the market. I absolutely love it. A friend of mine bought it for me when she traveled to Dubai. So I'm going to be using this brown color as my contour color. So you can see that this color is dark and I'm using it as my contour color. I'm just bringing it at the outer corner of my eyelid and just dabbing it in like that, and then I'm going to take it up to blend into the orange that I use as my transition color. Like so. Up next I'll be using this gold. It is a champagne gold. It is really lovely compared to this yellow gold here. I really love it. So I'm just going to apply it right here. And I'm just taking it in the middle and just brushing it into the brown, as you can see. So I want to go back to my brown and just blend it in properly into the gold. I like what the mid-tone looks like. So I went back into the orange just to raise the transition color higher. I wanted to show a bit more, like so. Make sure you go to the brow bone to brush the edges. We're practically almost done with the eyes. So I'm just going to line my eyes, fix my lashes, and finish up the rest of the makeup. What do you think? So I'm using my LA Color eyeliner. It is black, and I absolutely love the fact that it's very liquidy. If there's any word like liquidy, more like it's liquid. I'll be lining my eyes with my Brook pencil. It is black. So I'm using this mascara by Zaron Cosmetics. Before I apply my lashes, I'm just going to go right into my face. So we're using Pond's. It is an oil control and it mattifies. I absolutely love the fact that it doesn't help my face produce oil, more like it helps it to contain the oil. I only apply it on the areas that I produce oil the most. So I'm using the sponge by Beauty Line by Didi. With the same foundation, Maybelline 355 Coconut. Back to my setting powder. Just going to allow it to set a little bit. I know I look like a masquerade, but I'm a Jesus baby girl. The process that I've taken you guys through is very simple. It might look very technical, but trust me, if you follow through on every bit of it, your makeup will be glamorous. Okay, up next is my Maybelline powder Super Stay Java 375. I'm using it to contour. Remember, I highlighted down here, so I'm applying it up here. And I'm just going to blend it up. My cheeks needs to appear slimmer. So, make sure you blend it out properly. And I'm just going to take it on the side of my nose to make it look more elongated. You want to be very careful because the color is very dark, as you can see. So I'm just going to brush it out on some tissue and blend it properly. Okay, looks like I put too much. This always happens, so I'm just going to put some powder. for a more defined shape, you want to take it in here. So let's try. Okay, so I'm using this Technique Gorgeous highlighter. It's absolutely beautiful, so I'm just going to use it to highlight my face. It's very golden. It reminds me of one of MAC's products. And take a look. Just take a look. It's really lovely. Feel free to apply some on your brow bone. I like to keep my highlight on a minimal so it's not so in your face. Not everybody likes it shining bright like a diamond. I'm just rubbing the rest of the products on my brush on my forehead. Let's let this face pop a bit more. There we go. Lashes, lipsticks, and I'm so glamorous. So I just got this Nuban Beauty lip liner. Well, it's not a lip liner, it's a matte lipstick in brown. And I'm gonna be using it as my lip liner. Oops, it's really brown. Next is my Zara lipstick in, what's it called now? Tease. Tease me, tease me, tease me, tease me, baby. Guys, this combination is lit, trust me. I even look like I don't need any lip gloss. But hey, what is a girl without a lip gloss? This is a classic makeup lip gloss. It's clear, and I'm just going to apply some. And next is my classic blush. Just gonna dab in a little. And guys, we have a full face makeup tutorial. Hello, somebody. So guys, I hope you love this makeup as much as I do. This is a full face makeup glam. And guys, I'm ready to rock the streets. Thank you so much for watching.